She did it.
I know I'm just hitting.
Okay.
Why am I always last?
Cause you left and came back. I was last and I didn't cry about it. Wait. Should you ride it and you don't know how?
I do. I'm just going slow because I'm just learning.
Then you don't know how.
Riding a hoverboard. Trying not to brag though, but it's fun. Turn. That's all for today. Taylor Lynn Harrison.